Hi, welcome and thank you so much for subscribing. I'm really excited to work with you because my passion is to teach you what I have learned in my last 20 years with Excel. I use Excel every day. I worked many years in consulting, for example as an SAP consultant, process designer and management consultant. Excel is such a nice tool. You can use it for project management, for management reporting, and many people use it actually as an SAP replacement because it's cheap and flexible. For me personally, Excel is just like a bike. I use it to reach my goals quickly. You can become a very effective problem solver if you know the most important methods and tricks. What I have learned in all these years is that you don't need to know all these Excel formulas or functions at all. You just need to know a handful of formulas and how to use them. The other stuff is either not relevant or you can Google it quickly if you may need it eventually. Please give me a feedback about what you like most about this course or what I can improve for you. And please don't forget to turn on HD in the Udemy video player. Okay then, see you in the next video.